Hello Ari, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm preparing a personal video for this beautiful 2018 Suzuki M109R called Boss. I do have one unit in the stock, and this is a 0 kilometers demo that you have a good discount. And also comes with a $500 gas card from Suzuki and 5 years of Suzuki protection plan. This motorcycle is available. I do have in the stock. The price is $15,758 plus HST and license. Right now it's sitting with a solo seat, but you do have the passenger seat it comes with. As I said, the bike is available. Please give me a call if you want me to secure this unit. Our phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. Thank you.